In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header in Shopify's Dawn theme using convenient, no-code options with the theme editor. If you're aiming to give your online store a fresh, personalized touch without delving into the complexities of coding, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore how to make these modifications easily using Shopify's built-in tools. First, let's navigate to the starting point of this customization journey. Begin by accessing your Shopify admin. From there, look for the section labeled Online Store. Click on this, and then proceed to select the Themes option. Here, you'll find a list of themes available to you. Locate the Dawn theme, which you'll be customizing today. Once you've found it, click on the Customize button. This action will launch the theme editor, your primary workspace for all upcoming changes. With the theme editor open, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side, where you'll find various customization options. Scroll through these options until you come across the header section. This is the area where you can make several adjustments to the appearance and functionality of your store's header. One of the most straightforward changes you can make involves selecting which menu is displayed in the header. This allows you to control your store's navigation and ensure customers can easily find what they need. In this same section, you can also decide whether to show or hide icons such as search and cart within your header, helping to streamline the user interface according to your preferences. Another handy tool available in the header section is the logo width slider or control. This feature allows you to adjust the size of your logo. Whether you want to make it stand out more or prefer a subtler look, this tool provides a quick and effortless way to scale your logo to your liking. For those looking to personalize the aesthetic aspects further, you can delve into the settings for header background color, text color, and more. These settings are usually found within header settings or under theme settings, specifically in the colors section. Changing these colors to match your brand's palette can really tie together the theme's look and feel, maintaining consistency across your store. Additionally, depending on the version of Dawn you're working with, you might be able to enable or disable options like a sticky header, which keeps the header visible as shoppers scroll. Other options could include a show announcement bar or a transparent header. Such features can enhance user experience and keep important information front and center. As with any changes made in the theme editor, these adjustments are safe to execute. There's even a preview function available, allowing you to see how your new header looks before committing to any updates. This ensures you can experiment with different styles without the risk of making permanent changes before you're ready. By following these steps and utilizing these tools, customizing your Shopify store's header can be a simple and rewarding process, all without needing to write a single line of code.